This is gonna get very serious. See, here's the thing: when we go up on two wheels, this is a limited slip differential. We don't want this to slip because what happens is the wheel that doesn't have any force on it spins. So if we go up on the ramp, we hit it like this, then the wheel that's up in the air is gonna start spinning. We'll hit neutral. It'll be no good. We weld this thing solid. No matter where we go, what wheel we're on, we're rocking out. You know what I'm saying?
And it's all good. It's all about me. And it's all good. It's all about me. Can a player get some love?
We're gonna drive this car on two wheels over here in a parking lot somewhere in Mass. I'm not exactly sure where we are, but we know it's a funeral home, so in case anything really bad goes on, not a very long trip.
Met me at a party, alright. And you thought we would make a real cute video. If you just bring your friend, come be that'd be the shit. It's all about me. And it's all good, it's all about me. And it's all good, it's all about me. All about me. Can a player get some love? 'Cause it's about me. It's all about me. Yeah, it's about me. Who cares about you? Cares about you? Who cares about you? Who cares about you? Who cares about you? Me.